Hi, good evening everyone. Welcome back to economy sessions. Now in this economy session, we'll focus on that concept which is very important in present context of many number of exams, not only UPSC civil services point of view or not only state public service commission for exams point of view, because this is a very basic thing of economy, that is money. So how we are going to define money? So first of all, if we have this money concept, we are supposed to define it. So definition of money, types, how many types we can see, and features of money. So what is the definition of money? For example, goods and services transaction is there. For those goods and services transaction, if anything is payable, anything is accepted as a payment mode, that is money. For example, repayment of a debt is there. If that repayment of debt is done by any item or any verifiable document or legal tender, that is money. So in exchange of goods and services, they are accepting something, that is money. And for the repayment of a debt, if they are accepting some entity, that is money. So for payments and repayments which is accepted, that is money. In simple terms, in simple language, simplest form, for payments and repayments which entity is accepted generally, that is money. And what are the features of this money? For example, you cannot print money, or myself, I cannot print money. So it has to be printed by the authority which has legal authority, or the sovereign authority of the state. That means the state or the government gives power to it as a mode of legal tender. And its features, that is first feature. And second feature is, it is a medium of exchange, as we have used the concept in the definition. It should have a storage value. So if these conditions are satisfied, then it is money. So in simple terms, in payment or in repayment, whatever the thing is accepted, that is money. And the types, we have number of types of money. For example, we have fiat money, and we have commodity money, and we have commercial bank money, and we have fiduciary money. And apart from this, we have the concept of reserve money, and other monies are also there, like hot money, soft money, hard money, but I am not going to include all those things here. Once again, if you have the money concept, focus on these things. What is the definition of money? What are the features of money? And how many types of money are there? As I explained in the beginning, for payment and repayment purposes, which is accepted. I am taking the definition in simplest terms. For payment and repayment purposes, for payment for goods and services, repayment of debt, which is accepted generally, that is money. And the features are like this: power to money comes from the sovereign authority, and it has a storage value, and it is a medium of exchange. These are the features. And types: you have fiduciary money, you have commodity money, you have commercial bank money, you have fiat money, and you have reserve money. So what are these things? We will take them, I'll explain all these things separately. We'll take them individually. Fiat money will be in a separate session, commodity money is a separate session, fiduciary money is a separate session. Likewise, each kind of money is explained in a separate session. Again, I am concluding. Whenever you have the money concept, please focus on these things. What is the definition? Because based on the definition of money, there is one question in 2019. It is somewhat a confusing question actually. It is based on legal tender and fiat money. So it's a very basic question related to money concept. So focus on the definition of money, focus on the features of money and types of money. So that's all about this session. I'll continue my next session with one of these things. Thank you.